I'm Kaz from What's New in Electronics, and I am at the ASYS Group Technology Days, and I have the pleasure of being joined by Jürgen.
Good to see you again.
Good to see
and
you.
have you here, actually.
Absolutely.
Even better.
The last time we spoke was actually on the podcast that we had.
Correct.
And we were talking about this event,
Yeah.
and you were talking about 30 years and beyond. Can you tell us a little bit more about the vision for these 2 days?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, we are so excited. Huge event for us, 30 years, and we always are excited that we have technology days where we can get customers in. In fact, we have a record number of registrations, so it will be a very, very packed show. So what will be the highlights? I mean, for us, with 30 years of history, we have 3 focus areas now. You're in the electronic area, where we are coming from. We are in the energy sector, and we are in the life science industries. So what we have here in showcase hall here in our demo centers, we built up actually the new inventions and solutions for all these kind of industries. So I think there's a very exciting program going on for this. And I mean, it's all centered about our philosophy of how we design and how we work. It's automate, digitalize, and connect. So what we show is the latest level of technologies in all these industries areas, the latest level of software, what you also see in the background, our Pulse Pro software suite for managing everything in the shop floor, the connectivity around it, the material logistics. So for all these kind of areas, we cover this in live shows. We have 14 tech sessions ongoing where we cover the different kind of technologies. We show our guests what we are doing in terms of CO2 footprint, in terms of cybersecurity, what's going on in really new technologies. Let's talk about fuel cell technologies and so on and so on. So it's 2 days packed. It's a combination of keynote speeches, and the other day is technology sessions, live shows, and everything real and live. So for instance, the material logistics, what we are showing is not just showcasing, it's actually the material logistics we use in our own factory. So we bring the customers in, they can see it by themselves, how it's operated, and what's all the kind of new developments we have. So quite sure for these 2 days we can cover quite a lot, and we are so happy that we have you here, because spread the word out.
Absolutely. So not only is it a storytelling opportunity,
Yeah.
it's a hands-on engagement. And I think we mentioned when we last spoke that business that you can't always do that at an exhibition.
Yeah.
So what would you say is the difference here over these 2 days where you're showcasing and you've got product experts?
Well, here we can go much deeper into it, because we have more time to prepare, so that's the reason why I say we show real life stuff. And as well, we have some things here which we just developed, which is in a way of, let's say, like the concern of what of technology you want to spread out on a show, difficult to handle security-wise, but in an in-house event where we can control who is here, so we can be much more open what we show, and that's the reason why we really put out machines for all kind of latest technology areas. And not just showcasing machine, it's customer equipment. We develop them together. So the level of detail we can go in is way different, and that's the reason actually why we need 2 days for it, because more than 80 machines, a huge setup, and the technology session. So it's a huge time to cover. And the customers they come for 2 days actually, because the event is known, and we have too much to handle, so 1 day is too tight.
Absolutely. And of course, the last time we were here was 4 years ago,
Yeah.
live. So it's kind of getting back into that rhythm
Yeah.
of showcasing.
We love it,
Thanks to COVID, doing
and
obviously online 2 years ago.
Yeah, and the 30 years, I mean, for us, it's perfect, we can do it again. We have 30 years celebration. We have a lot of new technologies. We are so happy that we have such a huge number of registrations. So will be good time.
Thank you so much, Jürgen. Have a great 2 days.
Thanks for coming.